Look, I know Halloween hasn't even hit yet, but I like to say it's never too early to start preparing your shop for the winter season. That goes beyond just hanging lights, though. Take, for example, TPMS service. With winter tire changeovers keeping your shop busy, expect a lot of TPMS service this winter. Let's talk about how to prepare for it next. Winter tire changeovers mean now is the time to make sure your shop is equipped and ready. When it comes to TPMS, stocking programmable or universal TPMS sensors is a smart move to start. Instead of trying to predict exactly which vehicles will show up, having one sensor that covers most of the market ensures that you have the right part on hand when you need it. The same goes for service kits. You should keep them readily available. That way, every time a tire comes off a rim, you're ready to replace the valve components without slowing down the job. With cars lined up during this busy season, efficiency is key. That's why a charged, updated TPMS diagnostic tool makes all the difference. You and your techs should know that charging tools after every shift is a must. And keeping software up to date to boot expands coverage. Nothing kills workflow faster than realizing you need to download an update with a car already in the bay. Preparing parts and tools is important, sure, but so is preparing your team. Remember, having a consistent process in place prevents comebacks and protects sensors from damage. The more confident and consistent your team is, the smoother this busy season will go. As with any busy season, winter tire season is a great chance to educate customers and grow TPMS sales. If a customer has been using the same set of sensors across multiple tire sets, explain the benefits of buying a second set, for example. It saves them time and money in the long run and reduces the risk of damaging sensors by removing and reinstalling them each year. And remember, if one TPMS sensor battery is dying, tell customers that the others won't be far behind. Replacing all four at once prevents repeat service visits and keeps them on the road longer without annoying TPMS lights bringing them back to your shop. Winter is the busiest time of the year for TPMS service, and preparation now means fewer headaches later. By stocking the right parts, training your team, and educating customers, you can turn the rush of winter tire season into a boost for your bottom line. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.